Hello everyone, this is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Audi A3 40 Premium. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. It has a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission as well. This is the entry-level sedan from Audi. This one is the FrontTrak, so it's front-wheel drive. You can also get Quattro for all-wheel drive if you'd like. So you have a digital gauge cluster, the Audi virtual cockpit is what they call it. So you can scroll through. I guess this one doesn't have like the map or whatever, in which the map will be on the gauge cluster. And then you have the drive modes. You have dynamic, auto, comfort, and individual. Here's the gear lever switch. Here's your reverse camera, and you also have the parking sensors. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel as well. You have a pretty big sunroof actually. You have leather seats with suede on the sides of the seat. And I like the door panel, it looks kind of cool. Plus I like this handle, it looks nice. Let's walk around this Audi. It's white color. You have LED daytime running lights and LED headlamps, or it looks like it's LED, yeah. And here are the rear seats. And here's the trunk. And you have a wireless charging tray. You can see my phone charging in there right now. It is weird how it faces away though. Let's get this car out on the road. The blind spot alert in the mirrors over there. Transmission shifts pretty well. I mean, the car isn't like crazy quick or anything like that. I mean, it does the job. It's good, but it's not like fast or anything. But I mean, it's just the A3, right? So it's good to. This is a nice size to like zip around traffic and everything like that. And the transmission's really nice, but it's not going to give you crazy acceleration or anything like that. But it is good for what it is. It's like the size of an Acura ILX. Or an Integra. It does 0 to 16 like the 6-second range, low 6-second range I believe, which isn't bad. Ride is pretty smooth. I like the turn signal stock, it feels satisfying to click. Push up or down. And the steering wheel's like, it's a small steering wheel. Feels nice. turn over here. yeah, actually, acceleration's good. I mean, if you want a little bit more power, you got to get the A4. But this definitely gets the job done. Parking sensors, button over there. Not sure what that is. But the buttons feel nice to click and everything like that. And the screen is a pretty decent size as well. Typical Audi interface. Yeah, for an entry-level car, it's nice. I like the layout of the interior. I like the doors. I like these AC vents. They're cool. The way they're positioned is kind of cool. And I am impressed with the size of the sunroof. It's a pretty big sunroof for such a small car. It's not panoramic or anything like that, but it's a good size. So the camera, so it's park assist, that's what that button was. Alright, and you have dynamic guidelines. When you turn the wheel, it'll show you the lines where you're going, pretty standard. That's like the volume control, I guess, which is interesting. You have navigation. Oh, you have to buy navigation for this vehicle. Okay. But overall, pretty nice. It's a nice car. Good entry-level German sedan. If you want to get into Audi ownership, the A3 is the entry-level model to get into it in terms of the sedan. But overall, nice car. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Audi.